New pair. Dr Marten's Airwear. Shining black, fresh out the box, have to have them. Wait, how much do they cost? Don't care, have to have them. Wear them out of the shop. My docs. I can't wait to break them in, but the rigid leather rips my skin because the price of entry is bloody ankles, toes stiff, heels torn. A study in endurance. Bandages on blisters under 2 pairs of my dad's thickest socks. My docs. I'm not just walking now, I strut the street. I feel the power of the pair encasing my feet to spread. Up legs, up body, up Gumachri, Ray the Kbeirod Harlowy. My docs are me. I am them and they are mine. And while wearing them, I can leg it for last bus at 11:29. I can stand in nightclub queues for hours at a time without hypothermia of the toes. And I would walk 500 miles, because I've got air cushioning under my soles. I feel sorry now for girls hobbling in heels, because I've been there, I've worn that. I know them feels. And those slinky, spindly shoes still do hold an appeal, but they're just as passing flings. With my docs, it's love, for real. My docs are like a fine wine, so I call them Helen Mirren and Bradley Cooper, because they just get better with time. And loving my docs is like this whole school of thought that has me embracing every wrinkle, scar, freckle and spot, accepting with affection my imperfections, staying out late, adding to the collection, wake up, bags under eyes, bruised legs, hair in knots, a dozen new nicks in the leather of my docs, and I just roll over and press the much abused snooze on the alarm clock. My docs do not apologize for taking up room. And while wearing them, I forget that just because I'm a woman, some would assume that I should always cross my arms and legs, fold in on myself like daisy petals at night, and behave in a way that they deem ladylike. Why? So that in a bus or a train, I inevitably get sat beside that guy. You know the type. He spreads his thighs wide, spills well over into my side, depriving me, I'm 5'9", of my legroom? No. In my docs, I'm having none of that. In my docs, I sit like a daisy in bloom. My docs are my mascot. And like my docs, I am thick-skinned with a deep soul. Like my docs, I am broken in and wrinkled and sprinkled with scars and marks because like my docs, I don't exist to stay pristine in a box. Like my docs, I am made for action. Like my docs, I am style, not fashion. I have years to go till I reach my prime. I am here for a good time and for a long time. So maybe you're more into your Reeboks. Maybe you're a faithful follower of FitFlops. Or maybe you're a convert to the Church of Crocs. But for me, even my previous favorite Birkenstocks have got nothing on my docs.